In the heart of Burkina Faso, something incredible is happening. A new river of hope is flowing, the Toma-Sankara Canal. This canal is not just a project. It's a dream born from courage, unity, and love for the motherland. The name Thomas Sankara carries two great symbols. The Toma people, known for their strength and unity, and Thomas Sankara, the great African leader who once taught us to believe in ourselves. He said, "He who feeds you controls you." And now, that dream of independence lives again. Under the leadership of Captain Ibrahim Traoré, the people of Burkina Faso stood up together. They didn't wait for foreign aid. They didn't wait for money or machines. They used their hands, their hearts, and their faith. Men, women, and children, all working together to bring life back to the dry lands. Sound cue, shovels, children laughing, water flowing. Day by day, they dug the ground. Day by day, the dream became real. And finally, water began to flow. Pure, free, and full of life. Today, the Toma-Sankara Canal waters farms, feeds animals, and gives life to villages. It has become a symbol, not only for Burkina Faso, but for all of Africa. It shows what we can do when we believe in ourselves, when we work together, when we build with our own hands. This is more than just a canal. It is a movement. It is proof that Africa can rise without fear, that our unity is stronger than any border, that our future belongs to us. So when the water flows through the Toma-Sankara Canal, it carries a message to every African heart. We are strong. We are free. We are one. Globe showing Europe, Africa, the Toma-Sankara Canal, the pride of Burkina Faso, and the hope of Africa. Burkina Faso droplet.